Edge Star BWC 120 SSLT, the ultra-low temperature beverage cooler. Now what sets this unit apart from all the others on the market is that it is among the coldest beverage coolers available. This unit will get down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your beer, soda, and water ice cold and ready to go whenever you need it. Now this is a freestanding unit, which just means you need to leave proper ventilation space. Generally, that's about 2 to 3 inches on each side, as well as 3 to 4 inches in the rear. As you can see, this unit does have a glass door with a stainless steel trim, and the door is totally reversible, which means you can change the orientation to whichever is convenient for you. It has a 3.6 cubic foot capacity and adjustable shelves, so you can be sure you will be able to store whatever you need in this beverage room. Finally, it has a very cool blue LED interior light. I'm Scott, and this is the Edge Star BWC 120 SSLT, the ultra-low temperature beverage cooler. Pick one up today.
Stunning retro mini fridge and warmers have to be the coolest on the market. They're the perfect addition to any home or office, and also great for taking camping or traveling. Being slightly larger than most mini fridges, they allow you to keep that little bit extra. And they even have a useful handle on top and hand grips either side for easy portability. Featuring an AC/DC portable thermoelectric system, including a mains adapter, 12-volt car adapter, and multiple adapters. The dual-function semiconductor allows you to keep your food and drink cool in the summer and warm in the winter. You can be sure that these great-looking 10 or 15-litre models are strong and durable, whilst being lightweight, quiet, efficient, and ecological. So chill out on your next adventure with these mini fridges with warmer option.
Introducing the Ivation Wine Cooler, the perfect item for any sommelier. With its beautiful sleek design, it enhances your drinking experience. Store up to 18 bottles at once in an ideal environment at a perfectly controlled temperature. The best way to protect the quality and taste of your wines. Red, white, long, or short term. So decant, sniff, sip, and enjoy.